Good afternoon. I welcome you all for the next lecture series. In this series, we are going to discuss about 4-point starter. So, before enter into the 4-point starter session, we are just recall or recap about the previous session. Uh, can you all remember which topic we are discussed in previous session? Yes, you are right. It is a 3-point starter. So before 3-point starter, can you all say what is the purpose we are using 3-point starter in while we are starting the DC motor? Yes, you're right. That is, starters are used for when we are starting the motor. The purpose is if the overload or underload are occurred or overcurrent is flow through the uh, machine, it will be damaged. So to avoid the damaging of the machine, uh, it is acting as the uh, providing a protector, that is if over voltage or over current or under voltage or under load or overload occurred, so automatically the starter comes to the original position, that is we called as the off position. So definitely the motor will be protected, and this is the purpose we are using starters. So just we recall the previous class we have discussed the 3-point starter. Why it is called a 3-point starter? Yes, it consists of three points named as LFA. Good. So L is field coil, that is a line coil, and which is connected to the line of the supply, and the F is called the field coil, and which is connected to the field coil of the motor, and A is connected to the armature coil. So through these three pointers, that is points, we are starting the motor. So this purpose, and along with this we are discussing the last class advantages, disadvantages and applications also. So shall we enter into the today's session, which is 4-point starter. uh, First we are going to discuss the construction of 4-point starter, and so construction of 4-point starter and the purpose of 3-point, what is the difference between 3-point starter and 4-point starter, we are discussed. So it is called that is 4-point starter is similar to the 3-point starter, and it is working as a current controlled device in the deficiency of back EMF, which starts running the DC motor. And along with this, it is detached from the voltage coil, that is holding coil, and from the shunt field circuit. And there is the resistance is connected in across with the line that we call as the current limiting coil. And the 4-point starter also consists of the graduated resistance, that is it consists of 5 steps from 1 to 5. And this is the 4-point and the 3-point starter we are using in the industries and laboratories image. And now we will discuss what is the difference between 3-point starter and 4-point starter. So 3-point starter consists of 3 lines. Now only we are discussed. Along with this, the no volt coil is connected in series with the field coil. Keep in your mind. So 3-point starter is connected in series with the, that is no voltage coil is connected in series with the field coil in 3-point starter. And for the 4-point starter, which consists of 4 lines, so that is ALF, along with this neutral line is there, and the new no voltage coil is connected in parallel with the field coil. That is in parallel with the field coil. 3-point starter no voltage coil is connected in series with the field coil, and here the 4-point starter is connected in that is no voltage coil is connected in parallel with the field coil. Just keep in your mind. So the difference between 3-point starter and the 4-point starter. So now discuss about the construction. So as we discussed, it consists of 4 points L, N, F and A. So L is a line, it is connected to the supply voltage, and N is connected to the current limiting device, current limiting resistor, and F is connected to the field coil, and we can say it is a parallel to the no voltage coil. This is the no voltage coil, and it is connected in parallel with the no voltage coil. And armature coil is connected, that is A is connected to the armature coil. Then the line L is connected to the one end of overload release coil, and another end of no, that is OLR coil is connected to the handle. A handle consists of spring. Along with this, the handle is there, and I told you that this graduated resistance are there. It consists of 5 studs from 1 to 5, and end of the resistance is connected to the armature, and there is a bronze resistor is there. It is the difference in 3-point starter and 4-point starter also. The bronze resistor is connected, one end is connected to the no voltage coil, and other end is connected to the L, that is neutral, and along with this, this coil is connected to the field coil. So this is difference. The no voltage coil is connected in parallel with the field coil. So this is the construction of 4-point starter. Now we are going to discuss the working of DC motor, that is I'm sorry, 4-point starter. If you are giving supply, the supply is goes through directly to the L and received by the MMF, that is over voltage coil, and is given to the handle. So now it is the handle is in the position of number 1. So we are starting, just we are push it, first we have to push the handle, and it will be touched to the position number 1. And if it in the position number 1, it consists of the resistance, so the motor will be start with the resistance, and field coil is connected to the, that is field resistance. So current is minimum, right? When starting the handle from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4, 4 to 5 positions, the resistance will be increased. If resistance is increased, definitely the current will be reduced. So based on this, the motor will be start. When it reaches the position of 5, the motor will be reaches the rated voltage, that is rated speed, that is 1500. And once the holding, that is the handle is reaches the position 5, it consists of the iron piece in the over on the handle. The iron piece is attached with the no voltage coil, so it holding the handle. If suppose over voltage or over load is occurred, the over current will be flow through the over load release. It magnetized now. So based on this, it will pull the line. So no voltage coil detached from the line. So automatically the handle will be, that is detached, means it is demagnetized. No voltage coil, that is it can, when it is short circuit, means it pull the line, that is overload release is pulled the voltage coil. So there is no current flow through the no voltage coil. Then it is automatically demagnetized. Then um, based on this, if it is it unable to hold the uh, handle, so automatically it will go to the original position. And this is how the resistor, that is 4-point starter, is working. So I think you all uh, learn the session. If you have a doubt, if you ask. So this is the diagram for the, it is the picture for the 4-point starter. So summary of this session, we are discuss about the last class 3-point starter, and the 4-point starter consists of 4 points. It is L, F, A, and N. So N is connected to the current limiting diode. And what is the difference between 3-point starter and 4-point starter? So 3-point starter connected to the no voltage coil connected to the field in series, and 4-point starter connected in the field is parallel. And how it is connected also we have discussed. So so difference between the 4-point starter and the 3-point starter, also one more point is there, that is we are discussed. And that is the no voltage coil is connected in series with the 3-point starter. So it is demagnetized often. So maybe it is damaged in future. So it is overcome by the 4-point starter. I think we'll discussed in the um, next session. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay. Okay. Thank you all. See you in the next session. Thank you.